and welcome back to our channel. In the last video, we explored the incredible benefits of integrating HubSpot with WhatsApp. Today, we are taking a step further and showing how to master WhatsApp chat backup to HubSpot to enhance your CRM strategy. If you missed our first video, make sure to check out in the link. So, why backing up your WhatsApp chats to HubSpot so crucial? Let's quickly recap the benefits. Centralized communication. All of your customers' interactions stored in one place. Enhanced customer relationships. Personalized interactions with access to complete chat histories. Data security. Regular backups ensure your valuable data is safe. Efficient workflows. Save time and reduce manual effort with automated process. Now, let's get an overview of how the integration works. Using Eazybe, HubSpot's integration with WhatsApp ensures that all of your chats are automatically synced and backed up. This means you can access and manage your conversations directly from your HubSpot dashboard. Setting up integration is straightforward. Let me walk through the steps. Install Chrome Extension. Begin installing the Chrome extension designed for this integration. Connect WhatsApp Web with HubSpot. Open WhatsApp Web and scan the QR code to connect your account. Enable chat backup settings. Go to your HubSpot settings and navigate to the integration section. Enable the chat backup feature and customize your setting as needed. Test the integration. Send a few text messages on WhatsApp and check if they appear in your HubSpot account. All it took was 4 steps, and voila! Here you have it, a seamless integration between HubSpot CRM and WhatsApp of your teams, powered by Eazybe. To give you a real-world perspective, after integrating WhatsApp with HubSpot, our clients have seen 30% improvement in response times and a significant boost on customer satisfaction. In our next video, we'll dive even deeper into optimizing your HubSpot workflows with advanced tips and tricks for using WhatsApp integration to its full potential. So make sure to stay tuned for that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Have any questions or tips? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching!